Na so I say make I make meat pie for the second time again o my sister. Did I get it right? Even when all the tools and tools are not complete, we shall manage what we have. Like there's no brush, there's no rolling pin. In short, a lot really happened. As I'm not a professional, please do not come for me under the comment section. This is my second time in my life making meat pie here in the UK. I have to satisfy my husband's need as he has been craving for meat pie. This one of my onions, I chop and put am inside the oil. According to the video when I watch, I add thyme, then I fry the meat, I add curry, I add seasoning cube, I add salt, I stir. If you guys have been following me, you remember the one I made the other time in our previous apartment. Oh my god, that one was confirmed as an intercontinental meat pie. This brother was disturbing me. Guess what? Hobby was not at home. It was a surprise meat pie. He took my son to the hospital to see the GP. Now they are back. Africa, dun, 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 television. Africa don't start. I can't see, say, madam, then they make me pie. They happy. You don't even know whether I go come out nice. You know, go come out nice. But so far, say, he don't they scent like Nigerian meat pie already. My husband was happy. He didn't expect it at all because I told them I want to do one or two cleaning before they come back. Boom, meat pie is almost ready. That's him teaching my son his assignment, a reading story for him. Because husband, I be wife, they make better thing. Husband go they happy. I no get all the tools and to say, but no verse. I use both to do the rolling and rollable. And honestly, when I dey roll am, my camera no gree play. Ah, we leave that for another day. But character. Anyway, this one I mean, I suffer the dish on small inside. The press and we fuck. You see that rolling pin and the rest what I suppose get. Based on say we just move enter this house. All the ones I have before, I don't throw away all of them. We've not really getting any of those tools. So it not stop me not to provide with your need. I need to use what I have. This one is me just trying something different. I said, let me go chop this particular one. But guess what? No, my husband chop am. Use and drink curry. It was fine. I just wanted to create something different from that regular meat pie size that we have. As I want something very, very flexible. I don't want something will go destroy the meat pie. Now, so if we fold this line of fold and put that inside the egg, use a rubber. As I not get the brush. Don't worry, I'll also get all my tools ready. None of these kitchen utensils I have gotten in the house. As all the old one we have in the other house, we pack them out. So we give some out, we throw some away. Don't worry, I'll also go for shopping for this particular tools. So this is just me. I'm done. God help me or make it not enter inside oven combat or make it strong like quicker. Anyway, as we are not professional, but we still shall make something good. I said there's no food I have tasted. Let me just taste it and have the feeling. At least I'll know what I'm chasing. Once I try it, it must come out nice. Not be me now, Baba God they run out. See, Pikin will learn good thing for your mama hand, yo. See, now. You dey see am? You dey feel am? It's sweet die. Hubby was like, "Hey, honey, you don't even get wetin you no sabi eat. You don't get wetin you no sabi cook." See, you dey feel am? If wetin enter, I short. If I made mistake, I for even tell you, but no mistake. It says nah.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain. It's never ending. It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I complicitly betrayed? Something I can't forget.
When
You
it
big
comes
like
to
daddy.
food, my son is going to disappoint you.
It's fish. You always
Anyways,
say you
guys,
want.
let's dive into the kitchen. As I have some snail in the fridge, but I don't know what I want use and cook. Whether na soup or na stew, I don't know. But before I go school, go pick my son, I kind of tell him that, oh, before you come, this food go ready. He said, nah, lie, I be machine. Guess what? This food take nothing less than 40 minutes in the kitchen and I am done. One thing about me, food dey quick me. I only stay longer in the kitchen when I'm doing full recording. Guess what? Without camera, if I'm not with camera, before you know, 2 seconds, my food is ready. Oga don dey cry as nobody follow and stay there. It's be like, where are these people? I need to put them for back so I can finish everything before hubby come back from school. I add my snail and the fry meat I already have. Guess what? To have things at home is good though. At this point, they are back. Yeah. Today not really swimming. Tuesday. 6 o'clock. Now you're going to eat. You didn't say hello to Vincent.
Hello, Benson.
Food is ready. Food is ready. Go and bathe. Then you come downstairs. Yes, sir. No. Leave that place. Yes, don't go to where there is chocolate. Your coffee, you still want to go for chocolate? No, right? Daddy's calling you. Baby, are we eating now?
No, not even.
No, eating. You get what they eat before. Benjamin food.
Oh, Benson, wake
I
You
know
better
you
be
don't
the,
like
all the food you don't like.
it. Is that the food this boy do not
Except
like?
it's-
Benson, wake soup.
You don't
Oh,
like
this is
soup?
this is delicious. So mama put
Your
enough.
coffee, you are looking for
For sweet.
See that biscuit inside your mouth, Benjamin, a bit
I'm gonna eat it now.
No, you don't do that.
I do it already.
Only for that's not Benjamin, not first. Let me share. Why the why my snail is sitting there for Benjamin? Benjamin, this for daddy. Mama will do your own, okay? Or you eat with daddy.
I think that's mine, but no.
Hey, Benjamin says it's for him right now.
No, say I think that's mine right now. No, it's not yours. Hey, this is for
Yeah,
Benjamin.
this for Benjamin.
But don't put soup on.
No.
Yeah, you said don't put stew. Benjamin, you want to eat ordinary white rice?
Oh, I forgot. I won't put vegetable for inside this.
No! No, Mama, no.
It's small. Mama is
Only
making
small.
small. Only small.
Tiny like a
This one will make you big like daddy.
No.
It's fish. You always say you want fish.
I don't like fish, Mama.
You like beef?
Okay, beef,
No.
chicken.
Chicken?
No,
I'll put fish.
no.
Everything is no for food. When it comes to food, it's no. If you don't have mat, you eat them.
Some have food but cannot eat. Some can eat but have no food. That be Benjamin. People are looking for this food to eat, Benjamin.
Put some juice for you. Maybe orange juice.
I want Coke. No, orange juice, orange.
I think this one. Don't finish, ain't you?
Yeah, thank you.
Ciao.
Deep within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless. Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one.
Continuation of our cleaning. I don't have one specific day of cleaning. Anytime I see dirt, I clean it because the more they gather, the more it's hard for you to take off. At that time, our mother go say, "Who talks say woman when sit down for house, not they do work? Oh yeah, come sit down for house. Maybe you say see the work when we they do." At this particular time, I carry all the rags that I've used to clean the glasses. I pack them out and clean them. As I needed a dry one, I bring a new one to clean my kitchen hub. At this particular time, we just use just water to clean all the worktop. Then I sun dry this particular one. Paso. Why not? If not order. Anyway, this is me. For all of us who do have our being close to the door instead of inside our kitchen, let me know how you clean yours. This is how I clean mine. As my dustbin is due to wash, I just brought it out, boil hot water inside, add some oil fragrance inside, then add my dish washer, wash everything thoroughly with hot water to remove that funny smell. Guys, if you do this, instead of having those thick, funny smell in your kitchen because of being, you just have it reduced with this process. Try it and thank me later. After thoroughly wash, I sun dry it, then use a rag to remove those dot water before we have marks or print of water on our bin. At this point, I just take a big tissue, put it down first, add some oil fragrance on it, put it down, then bring another tissue again, add a lot of oil fragrance, put it inside before you put your bag inside. With this process, you kind of reduce the smell. Add more tissue or cotton wool, just throw it inside. Then boom, everywhere smell nice, easy to clean, unlike the one you just fist direct inside your cabinet because you kind of have all the cabinets smell so funny. At this particular time, I'm done. Come on, still, my husband already helped me to bathe, baby, and I was so happy. This is me taking off the mask and I have my shower. I put my serum as I'm not doing too much. At this time, just apply only my face cream, rub and massage. Hubby is doing amiable, thick amiable for that massage. Then do some spray. Of course, you guys know I love to smell good. This is my body cream. Just mix it with a bit of the oil. Yeah. Rub. Then rub on my body. We are done. Oga don't want to sleep after eating. I shy force. I bet and I beg. He's still looking at me. Guess what? We have to just put him on our back because at this time my stomach is already itching. Like, come and put food on me. We put him on our back downstairs. I went to unbox this product before I do my food, but my stomach would not let me. I should just abandon it there because I need knife. Hope is already helping me to blend tomatoes that we use to make stew later. I'm going to be taking just tea and bread. Of course, we got to touch them to give them more strength. Look at what he's using to wash. Leave a bowl, then using pots to wash. I need to change it for him. At this point, we are done. Let me relax a bit before I make authentic stew for my husband. Bye. The first to finish.
Benjamin is a winner. Benjamin, I told you Benjamin is the best of me. You said it's not best.
We need chicken first, Mama.
Okay, chicken first.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I want to win.
You want to finish before me?
We're going to finish before you.
I can see it. Mama, he's eating. You see Benjamin is eating.
Mama eats very slow like a chicken. Benjamin eats very fast. Mama eats little. Benjamin eats down.
Look at that.
Take Benjamin for holiday. He eats like this.
It's very nice.
Yes. Very
I'm
good.
going to pass you, Mama. If you keep talking.
No, you say if you keep talking, you see?
If I keep talking, you
See, Benjamin understands this.
see, that is jollof rice. That is taking jollof rice.
Yes.
Oh my god.
First to finish. I'm going to be the first to finish my
Daddy
rice.
want to join us, so do first to
Yes.
finish. Daddy is carrying jollof rice. Catch me.
He said that for you.
Because they're going to finish after me.
See, Mama was trying to trick you, Benjamin.
Yeah.
At that moment, they'll come my eye.
Mama, you go. I'm going to beat you, Mama.
I get chicken up most of them.
Thank you. I just say you don't want to eat.
After chicken first. Why you eat it? You give me now.
Okay, I look here. Oh my god. Good boy, finish it. I give you this.
Benjamin.
Benjamin.
We got 5 stars also
Go 5 star.
to use next weekend.
No, I want Caneta.
Oh, million star. Daddy give you 5 star. Oh.
Not finish. Why not?